Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to search spacing within text box in Google Docs. So let's started. And first open your document. Firstly, get a text box. Now I can see and going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for plus new option. Then waiting. Then click for the text box option and create text box. Text box is border color option and click for the black border color and text box is write a text and click for select your all text box is all text and going to the more menu option and click for the spacing option spacing line and paragraph option and click for the 1.5 and again and click for the double it's okay and click for the 7 color option it's okay. Then it should have sense spacing within text box in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.